Is amethyst a good crystal for sleep? Absolutely. Now, I'm not a big fan of having too many crystals in the bedroom, especially around the time of the full moon when we know the full moon amplifies different energies. Some of y'all are trying to sleep with 100 crystals in your bedroom, and that is like sleeping with 100 puppies in your bedroom. As cute as that may look, it's really hard to get a good night's sleep. So I recommend taking most of your crystals, if not all of your crystals, out of your bedroom and only bringing selected ones in for specific reasons. Now, amethyst is a really good crystal to help you sleep. Why? Because it has a calming, soothing energy. You can have a small tumbled stone like this and pop it in your pillow slip, or a small cluster next to your bed, and it will help kind of spread that peaceful energy around the space. But to get a good night's sleep, it's more important to make sure that how you get into bed is nice and peaceful and already prepared. You don't want to jump into bed running at 100 miles an hour and then suddenly try and slam on the brakes. So what I would actually recommend is, can you spend some time quietly, ideally outside in nature, sitting with an amethyst? Allow your thoughts to kind of settle, like our mind is a glass of muddy water and we just need that mud all to have that stillness and settle to the bottom so we can have a bit more clarity. I often do that, and in that time I remember that I haven't maybe paid a bill or contacted someone, and I quickly just make a note of that and do that before I go to bed, so it's all empty and the head is kind of, or the mind is not filled with different things when we do get into bed. Taking 10 to 20 minutes to do that with your amethyst outside can be really quite calming. You can also tell it your worries and send all your worries into the crystal and then leave it outside to cleanse your worries away overnight as well. But then get it into the bedroom, pair it with lavender, which it works so well with as well, putting lavender in a diffuser on your feet or a little bit with your skincare, and you'll find that you get a really good night's sleep because you've prepared yourself and you're going to bed in a relaxed state. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Have a good night's sleep tonight and let me know how it goes in the morning in the comment section. Until then, blessed be and sweet dreams.